Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add links to buttons and text in Framer. To begin, select the button. In the right sidebar, go to the link section and click the plus icon. You can either paste the URL if you have one, or select a link from the suggestions. If you want the link to open in a new tab, click Yes. After that, click the Publish button and then select Update. Finally, visit your website to check if everything is working properly. To add a link to your text, follow these steps. In the right sidebar, navigate to the link section and click on the plus icon. You can either paste a URL if you have one, or choose a link from the suggestions provided. If you want the link to open in a new tab, select Yes. After making your selections, click the Publish button and then choose Update. Finally, visit your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly.